the train. This is the 405 E Express train, Manhattan bound. Step to the right, please. Careful, going across the platform.
Oh no, wait, it was really good. I'll tell you about it. They got you. They're really excited about everything. You know, see,
Hello. Yes,
Yes.
yes. I'm on my way to la oficina de welfare right now. Yeah, I had to wake up so early because tanto gente, like so many people, like are just like waiting over there, and I don't have time. Ya me voy con trabajo. I have to go to work right now, so yeah. Oh, wait, sorry. I think I'm going underground. Hello? Hello?
The
No?
next stop is Jamaica Van
Hello?
Wyck. This is Jamaica Van Wyck. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
Oye, ¿qué pasó por allá? Yo soy enfermera, así que maybe I can help you. I'm a nurse.
Estoy en camino a la clínica.
Oh.
Habla español.
Yeah, más o menos.
En camino a la clínica me caí en la bici. Me dio un puertazo cuando venía en
Oh.
auto.
They hit you at
Hello?
the door.
Hi. Hi, yes, oh my god, thank god. Yes, hi, I've been on the phone for I've been on hold for 2 hours. No, yeah, I understand. Yeah, no, I'm calling because I have a hold on my account, and I just really need my financial aid to go through so I can register for classes and I really need this. No, yeah, I understand. I know you're short on staff and everything, and you're doing your best. I really need this. I really don't have time for games at all. No, yeah, I understand, and I can definitely come in tomorrow. I just need to make sure that it's gonna go through. And hello, hello, hello. Oh my God! You're kidding me! Shit.
Do you need help? I'm so sorry, honey, but like, there's a lot of people going on the train. Hello, do you need help? Like, there's a lot of people going on, and I can like.
Ma'am, you're asking too many questions right now. I need you to back off.
No, I'm saying there's a lot of people going
No,
on
I
the
get
train
it.
right now.
I get it. I just need you to back off. Thank you.
Sorry, something went wrong. Please try again.
Tengo el servicio. Ay, no.
This is
Pero, ¿qué pasó aquí? No sé. ¿Qué le digo que
Train
trae?
la bici. Yo no sé. ¿Qué se puede hacer?
Free transfer is also available
Ah.
to the 4, 6, and N trains.
Pienso que me dejó para el hospital, no sé. Like, I think no sé, no tengo seguro médico.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear
Right off the
and
train.
center of the platform.
No, not there. The door in the middle of the train.
Oh my goodness, that's so much fun. Yeah, I got fired. Yeah, no surprise there. Yeah, now I'm left with 3 jobs. Yeah, and I really needed that 4th one. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna budget this week. And probably for the other week as well. Yeah, I'll call you back once I figure it out. Okay, bye.
Oh, hey, Ma. Yeah. I'm on my way, I know. Yep. Early. Ya tú sabes. Yeah, no, I couldn't wear that pantsuit you sent me. Apparently it was too distracting. Yeah, you know how it is, being the only woman working in a law firm. Yeah, but it's all gonna be worth it. I've been working really hard on this Miller case. and I should be getting that promotion. Yeah, todo valió la pena. Okay, well, you're cutting off a little bit, so I'm gonna go and I'm working on my notes. Okay, I'll call you after the meeting.
Hay mucha gente y dice niñas tienen bastante maletas. Wait, I'm sorry. I don't mean to eavesdrop, but did you,
Wait, what? Sorry?
did you have a meeting right now?
Yeah.
So you need to. I think like there's something going on like with your pants. I think you have a stain.
Oh no.
So
Yeah.
you know you have to like be prepared for the meeting and everything. But I'm sorry for like eavesdropping because I just
No, you're good. Thank you. This is like a really important meeting. I definitely need to look
Did
my
you-
best. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get the stamp?
No, do you have anything?
Yeah. Well, I'm a cleaning lady, so of course. So, I got Windex or Febreze.
I'll take the Windex.
Or you
one.
Windex? Okay.
Windex fixes
Your
everything.
thing, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
Like, they'll take any opportunity to bench me. So, thank you so much.
This is a vital street-bound E-train
Oh,
via
you
the
say you're a
Park Line.
cleaning lady?
The
Do
next
you have?
stop is
She's like
23rd
dropping so much blood and everything, and so like it's very disgusting. Like so many people on this train.
me. Trying to go.
I don't know.
Oh my god, that's so gross. Is the seat taken? No. Oh, I don't know. I just don't want to touch people. Okay. Looking at me. I know I'm pretty. Oh, hold on. Hello? Oh, hi, baby. Yeah, I got the bag. And just so you know, I went to Neiman and Marcus, and I left some stuff there on hold, so you could get it for me. I mean, of course, I told them I was your personal shopper. They don't know that I'm your girlfriend, but you need to really get moving. You need to get rid of Mrs. Jones and make me Mrs. Jones. I'm being serious. This has a time limit. I need to get my papers, and we need to get married. Look, you think that I'm just a secretary, but I see everything that you do, and the promotion that you're gonna give your son instead of the other woman, that looks really bad. Well, alright, I gotta go. My stop's almost coming up. So, alright, bye.
This is Sutton Boulevard, Archer Avenue, JFK. Transfer is available to the J train. Transfer is available to the Q44 Select Bus Service. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
I'm sorry. I was just wondering, do you have anything to clean the blood off her seats, like
Local train.
yeah,
The next
or
stop
see,
is
or maybe you can help her? Is there anything like something that can help hygienic, like clean off the bloody infection that's going on? Windex?
I think it would help, right?
Yeah, right.
I mean, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not gonna. Could you hand this to her?
Ella dice que puede ayudar con la sangre. I don't know. Do you have like the Windex stuff? Probably not. I like even as a nurse, I wouldn't suggest it. But she says it has like powers or something. I don't know.
Ella sabe something else que ponerse.
I think mejor que va para el hospital. I think the hospital is also it's only one stop. Right? I think it's actually.
Transfer is available to the
I don't know.
Manhattan North train.
Yes,
Transfer
yes.
is available to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Q44 Select
Okay.
Bus Service.
Oh my gosh.
Manhattan-bound
Cuídate.
local train. The next stop is
Oh.
Kew Gardens Union Turnpike.
That's so weird. Okay. Do you guys? Do you know what East Broadway stop is? No. No. Sorry. East Broadway. Oh, I'm going to like the social security offices, and I'm not sure. Like, I have to go there very soon. It's like almost 6:30, but I just like I don't know like which stop, like how far it is.
Gardens Union Turnpike. Transfer is available to the F train. Transfer is available to the
Me too,
Q10 bus
obviously.
to JFK Airport.
Let me see. I don't know.
This is an East Broadway bound E local train via the 6th Avenue line. The next and last stop is East Broadway.
There it is.
Stand clear of the
Okay.
closing doors, please.
And then, do you, hello? I think this, I don't know if she was, hello? Niña? Hello? Do you,
Ma'am, could you not touch me?
okay, ¿tú necesitas comida? Do you need food? Do you need water? Like anything? Like,
I
I'm
don't
getting,
need anything. Thank you.
I'm a nurse and I can help you. I don't know where your parents
Okay, listen,
are.
you're talking a little bit too much. I just need you to back off. Thank you.
Hello, this is the last stop on this train. Please exit onto the platform so that the train can be cleaned and get moving again. Thank you
I
for
need to
riding
get off,
with us.
but I like literally need to go. Like, do my, like I don't know what to do with her. I think you guys can help her maybe. I don't know. I need to get off. Okay. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do need to clean the train, so if you could please make your way up onto the platform and out the stairs, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final stop.